Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a Duke's Kitchen and Lifestyle, the best of all, and we are gonna be the best each and every day. So guys, today I'm bringing you this exciting video, a video you've never seen on our channel before. So I've seen a lot of people trying box braids on their own hair, so today I decided to give myself some braids. Actually going to give it a try and see how it's gonna come out. So before we get into the video, guys, if you are new to this channel, you are welcome, and I urge you to hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be the first person to be notified whenever we post a new video. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also invite your friends also to join this awesome family. Yeah, let's get right into the video. So for this video, I'm gonna show you the items I'm gonna use, or maybe let's see the tools I'll be using. So the first item that I have here is my comb, this big comb. Yeah, and I'm also going to need this, a tail comb. Yeah, I'm also going to need some hair bands. This is multicolors, but I'm just going to use the black ones. There are black, ties in there, so I'm just going to use the black ones only. And I'm also going to use some eco gel for the front and the back braids. And I'm going to need some hair bands, small ones like this. And the last item I'll be using is my extension. I'll be using Expression collection. Yeah, let me show it to you guys. Oh yeah, focus. Okay. Now I'll be using this color. It says T1B/27, and that's how it looks. Yeah. Okay, so this is what we're gonna need for the hair. So before we start, I'm going to give you a 360. Yeah. I washed my hair yesterday, so it's ready. So I'm going to start by parting my hair. I'm going to part it into 3 parts. That's why I have 3 extra bands here. So this is what you're going to do. Okay, let me take mine. I'm going to comb it. Yeah. Oh. So.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together. There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I'd rather be and here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together. There's no place I'd rather be and here with you.
Hello guys, so today is the second day of my hair. I was fresh out of work, so my mom went to get me a new one. So it's left with just 2 braids right here. So I'm just going to braid it and we continue with everything. Enjoy the video.
There's no place I'd rather be and here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together. There's no place I'd rather be and here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I will stay here forever. There's no place I'd rather be and here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I would stay. There's no place I'd rather be and here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're.
Hello guys, so this is the final look of my hair. I actually like the end result. It came really nice. So this is how the end looks. Yeah, so
There's no place I'd rather be and here with you. That's all
oh
I
my
need.
god, I did a great job. I really liked the hair. I did. I actually did a very great job. You know, I saw a lot of people doing it. I was like, is this real. First I thought it was a lie. I thought there were people who actually helped them to, do the braids. But when I tried it today, I have 100% believed that they do it themselves. I urge you to also try it because it's not easy. It took me 2 days to finish this braids, not because I didn't have time. I had a lot of time, but I was short of like extensions, so I asked my mom to buy me one yesterday. That's why I continued the video today. And yeah, it took me, I would say, 4 hours to finish with the hair. The braiding is not even a problem, but after you are done with a cutting of the unnecessary yeah, hairs on the braids, that is very difficult. If you don't have anyone around you, I bet you will finish with the braiding, and it will still turn bad, very bad. So with the help of my mom, I was able to do all the other things, and with the hot water I did that myself and the rest of the week. So guys, I'm very very proud of myself that I was able to do this thing. I never thought in my life that I could even do this. So I'm so excited and I really like the end result. So thank you guys for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. And guys, you know that I have really worked hard for this particular video. I did this video because of you and also to help myself. So please make sure you give this video a very big thumbs up and make sure you comment in the comment section. And if you have any questions to ask me, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Thank you guys, I love you all, and please keep supporting me. Bye, see you in another video.